Well, Thanksgiving is all about spending time with the people you love.
People who you want to take care of even after you're gone. If you haven't thought about estate planning, now is a good time to start.
It is. Welcome back, Attorney Jim Blazek. Jim, good to see you.
Good to see you.
You know, it's a great time to be thinking about this stuff because we're all going to be around family. Well, most of us will be around family this weekend with the Thanksgiving holiday, and the holiday season in general is just a time when you're around family more often.
Right.
Exactly.
So would you break this down for us? First of all, let's get into how long you've been doing this, working with families in estate planning.
You know, over 35 years. Over 35 years. Graduated from Creighton University School of Law back in 1981, and been doing estate planning ever since. You had the good math last time I was on. You said that's the 80s.
I think we figured out. I don't know, not today. I didn't get enough sleep. I can't figure that math out. How many estate plans do you think that you've done? Could you even guess?
Oh, you know, I've been saying over 5,000 plans for a few years now, so I have no idea how many plans we've done.
Right.
But the more important statistic is that they've all worked successfully. So everything we've filed with the IRS has gone through without a hitch. Everything we've filed with courts have gone through without a hitch. So what's more important than the number of plans is the number of successful plans, and everything has been successful. So we're very happy about that. We've helped many people save a lot of money and protect a lot of assets for their loved ones.
Yeah.
And that's what estate planning is all about. It's all about enriching somebody else's life.
Right.
So in this family season, we're around loved ones. You're so correct. Estate planning is about enriching the lives of your loved ones. And that's why people do quality estate planning.
You know, I know you're real proud of the work that you do, and it's very important for somebody in your line of work to cross those T's, dot those I's, because there are a lot of circumstances that can arise out of this. I guess, what are some of the common mistakes that other people make when they put together these estate plans?
Well, I think the two mistakes I see most often are people just procrastinating too long. They just procrastinate, put things off, and it's regrettable when they don't get their plans done. The other mistake I see quite often is people fail to update their plans. Their goals change, their lives change, the laws change, and they never update their plan. Their plan made sense for a different season in their life, but now the seasons have changed, have different goals. Their plan needs to be updated as well. So those are the two biggest mistakes I see.
Yeah.
Right. So how does your process help people avoid those mistakes?
I think the two big things we do for our clients is we give them continuing access. The old model of the attorney-client relationship is once you do your will or your trust, you're done. Well, in our process, our model, we give our clients continuing access to the law firm. We don't charge clients for phone calls. So access to the law firm, they can call up and ask a question, you know, do I need to update? Do I need to see you? So they have continuing access, but also we give our clients continuing information. When we do a plan for a client, if there's a law change that affects their plan, we mail them notice. So the access to the firm and the access to information, I think, leads to a better value, a better plan. And we help people avoid those mistakes of procrastination and failure to update.
Yeah, you've talked about those law changes in the past, and that can really affect the estate plan itself. I guess, what's your favorite part of your job? What do you like most about it?
This is the best job in the world because I get to help people in a meaningful way. You know, everything I do is boiling down to really two things. I help people solve a problem or maximize an opportunity.
Right.
And that makes this the best job in the world.
Well, and you're a family guy. I mean, I hope you don't mind that we mentioned, but you have 8 kids of your own. So you're very close and very in tune with family and what matters. Now we talk about, you know, what your favorite part of the job is, but can you share with us what's the most difficult part of estate planning and what you do?
It's heartbreaking to see what could have been, you know.
Right.
You know, there's an old saying, of all sad words of tongue or pen, the saddest of all are, it might have been. And it's sad when I see the work that other law firms might have, you know, have done years ago, and people bring in plans that should have been updated and could have been updated and just weren't updated. And I see people leaving money on the table. I see people that can't maximize the opportunity any longer because they just never got it done. They never updated it. And that's sad to me.
Yeah. And I know you said you went to Creighton.
I did.
Go Jays. I don't know if you saw the game last night.
They're
Holy cow, those
killing
guys
it.
are on fire right now.
I was watching the Seahawks last night. So.
Oh yeah, the football
were
game was
you?
on last night too. Would you advise people to go into your line of work? I guess, you know, I know you've had a passion for it for over 3 decades. Would you advise people to head to law school and do what you do?
You know, I tell my kids all the same thing. I say they can do whatever they want in life after law school. So
I guess, yeah.
I encourage everybody to go to law school. Creighton was just a superb place to be. Great education, so I encourage everybody to go to law school. If you have a child thinking about law school, send them to law school. It's a wonderful career. You're doing something important. Plus, that education helps you do almost anything in life you want to do.
Yeah, you don't have to just be a lawyer. If you go to law school, you don't have to be a lawyer.
Correct.
That's what my brother did. He's not a lawyer. Well, no, he is a lawyer, but he's going to change into something else. So you don't have to be right, but it's a great tool. So thank you for all the information and for sharing us, your passion with this job. We always like to hear that. Blazek and Gregg off of West Dodge. You can give them a call at 402-496-3432 or hit up blazekandgregg.com for more information.
That's right. It's all about estate planning. It's different than a will, like he said many times before. If you don't have yours in place or if it's not updated, just go to blazekandgregg.com. Jim, good to see you. Thanks for coming in. Have a good Thanksgiving.
You too.
Yeah, enjoy with those 8 kids.
Thank you so much.
Right,
Coming back.
Bye.